Hey, welcome back. A stool, boom. Yeah, I have this Dodge Durango GT 2017, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the rotors and the brake pads, and how to remove the caliper with the safety clip and the oil ring. So stay tuned. A stool, boom. Before we get into this, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done it, please do it now. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share the video. And please, if you have any comments, just put it in the comment box, and I need the feedback, so put it in the comment box also, so I can improve my videos and make it better for you. Any idea related to this video, any idea, any suggestions, anything that you need to say, put it in the comment box, please. So first, I'm gonna go to the two bolts that hold the caliper in the back. You can hit those with the 15mm socket or the 17mm socket. Just lose it for now, because we have to remove the safety clip, safety bracket, whatever you call it. Okay. And also the rotor is being held by a oil ring made of rubber. Okay. Now this is how you remove the clip. Push these two nails back, then insert the flat screwdriver in between the bracket and the safety. Push it out, pry it out. It comes out just like that. Okay, I know in the beginning it's a little bit difficult, but you get it though with the time and practice. So now you can remove the two bolts that hold the caliper in place. Like I said, it's a 17 or 15mm socket. Once you remove these two bolts, you can now remove the caliper. Once you remove the caliper, you can remove the oil ring that holds the rotor in place. Just grab a lock pick and remove it. I'll show you in a second how. Now if it's too hard to remove the caliper by hand, use a pry bar, but in this case this one is easy. Now remove the oil ring that holds the rotor, like I said, with the toothpick, with the lock pick, whatever you call it, and hit it with a hammer. Hit it with a hammer, and if it doesn't come out, if it doesn't slide out, grab the same plier or flat screwdriver, put it in between like this, and hit it with the hammer at the same time, and pry it out. Pry the rotor out while you hit it with the hammer. Eventually it's gonna come out. Don't stress yourself. Now you remove the rotor, and if you see the parts inside, the shoes and the springs and all that, all rusty, replace them. If not, if they're like covered with dirt or brake residue, just spray some brake cleaner. And after that, install the new rotor. I'm gonna put it like this just so I can spray it with the brake cleaner and clean it and wipe it. Once I do that with this side, flip the rotor and clean the other side. Do the same. Spray it with the brake cleaner wipe it down, remove the grease that covers the rotor, so it doesn't get rusted. Once you do that, you can put the O-ring, the rubber O-ring that holds the rotor in place. Once you do that, it's pass to the caliper, push the piston caliper back with a special tool. Before that, don't forget to remove the brake pads if you haven't done it. So once you push back the piston, you can grab the new brake pads, grease them, and install it in the caliper or in the bracket caliper. Like I said, I'm gonna take the time again to say thank you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done it yet, please do it now. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Share the video. If you have any comments, put it in the comment box. Any idea, any suggestions, any thoughts of how to improve my videos, put it in the comment box. I need the feedback. I need to know what you think. Please put it in the comment box. Now back to this. Like I said, push the piston back with this tool. Probably you've seen it before. If you haven't seen it, then it's about time to buy one. You could use how you call this guy, a prior, but you always gotta use the right tool for these jobs and to get the job done faster. Now put some grease in the brake pads. Insert the brake pads in the bracket like so, both. Once you do that, make sure the gap between the pads are big enough so the new rotor fit in between them. Once you do that, secure the piston, the caliper with the 2 bolts that hold the caliper. Tighten them, snug them with a 15-17 millimeter socket. And once you do that, put the safety back. And I'm gonna show you how to put the safety back. A lot of people freak out because they think, oh, the safety is gonna jump in my face, it's gonna hit my eyes, something like that. But no, you just have to hold it good. Not good, just good. Good enough so it doesn't jump. And you have to put it, you'll see, I'll show you in a second. Now we're putting the caliper back, put the 2 bolts back, tighten them, snug them, and then install the safety bracket, safety clip, whatever you call it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. In the beginning, I used to think, oh, this thing is gonna hit my face and this and that, blah blah blah. But then the more you practice, the better you get at it. So don't even rush it, unless you getting paid flat rate. That's how you install it. And this is how you replace the brakes in the Dodge Durango GT 2017. Yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I can't stress it enough. Thank you for subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now. Subscribe to my channel, share the video, hit the like button. If you have any questions regarding to this video, put in the comment box. Anything you need to say about this video, about this vehicle, any concerns, put in the comment box. Also, I need the feedback. I need to know what you think about how am I doing with my videos, you know what I'm saying, so I can improve them and make them better for you, because some people don't understand the way I explain things. So I need to know those keys so I can make it better, you know what I'm saying. You learn and I improve my videos. That's the deal. And I learn also how to make my videos, know what I'm saying. Once you install the brakes, the rotors, the brake pads, check the fluid level, the brake fluid level. Make sure it's at the max level. If it's not, pour some brake fluid in there until you reach the max level. Put the cap back. It's a little bit difficult, but there it is. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and anything that cross your mind, put it in the comment box. If you hate it, if you like it, if you love it, just put it in the comment box. How to replace the brakes in this Dodge Durango GT 2017 with a 3.6 liter engine. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care. It's a stool. See ya. Meow.